doesn't work in radio, but clearly he's not listening. It's Big Drew and Jim on Detroit's 1130.
What's up, guys? Jaden Neville's here with the old man who's going to be joining me in a second. Welcome to the Aries Moto, the home of the quick and easy, where nothing is quick. Definitely nothing's easy. As you just saw, my Pontiac Vibe CD player or radio, whatever you want to call it, the entertainment unit is not working. The little knob is dead for volume, right? So whenever I push it on a steering wheel, plus and minus, it goes up and down, no problem. But just this stupid little knob is not working. So I already have a new CD player that I picked up at the junkyard today, which is awesome for 40 bucks. So let's show you. I'm going to show you how to install a new radio. It should be very, very easy, and believe it or not, it's actually easy. So let's do this. Do it.
That's easy. That's easy to take. You need open. Push that.
Yep.
Let's push this and take. That's different.
There's another one behind.
That's the same.
Yeah.
That's it.
And the trim piece is out. Okay, so you got 4 bolts. One there, one bottom, one here, and one over deep inside right there. It's kind of hard to see. But you don't have to take the other one off. The top one, you don't have to take that one off.
See? That's a antenna, radio antenna. That's it. That's a so 2. 1, 2. That's it. First put to see work. That's on top. See?
I'm gonna get nailed for so it works. Okay, awesome. Okay, it works.
Good.
It works. Just put it back and that's it.
See this on radio. Oh, that's an old, no out. Look, that's how we take out. See? That's a,
Oh, that's from the old one somebody broke.
yes, that's a, look. Better I see. That's it.
Alright, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and see you next video.